With our factory-set pressure switches from the 901 series, we offer customized solutions for pressure monitoring. The pressure switches are for a wide range, starting from 5 mbar up to 12 bar overpressure, or from 5 to 900 mbar vacuum pressure for liquid, gaseous, and also suitable for aggressive media. Both the switching point and the hysteresis are set at the factory according to customer specifications. They work reliably with a mechanical switchgear which gets controlled by a precise membrane. Our membrane pressure switches are characterized by a modular design. The areas of application of these compact pressure switches extend to monitoring of fill levels, safety-related shutdowns, e.g. at steamers, and pressure differences in closed systems. Find out more about our custom-made solutions at www.beck-sensors.com. Beck – pressure monitoring made to measure.